What is up, Game Time Army? I am GameTimeBarney, and it is game time. I know it's been a little bit, but I wanted to do a quick video on making a new fishbowl with some bamboo in it. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so this right here is what I currently have my bamboo growing in. Just this little pot here. And I want to transfer it into this glass bowl. I think it's kind of neat. It'll be fun. So we're gonna throw some of these bead rocks at the bottom of it. Already got a bunch down here. You can see that. And then I thought we'd add a friend. Check this guy out. Put one of these guys in there with the bamboo.
What's she doing?
So we'll see. We got my son.
Stop.
He's out playing Fortnite with his buddies. They just did the Star Wars live event, so
awesome.
Was pretty sweet. A little catfish. It's a striped Raphael catfish, and our banjo catfish. All right, let's get it going. Let's see if we can get these out. Gotta get some of these jumped out first. See here, the roots are still connected. off and we'll start transplanting it into the other bowl. Nice one, thanks. Rinse some of them off.
Today, and me.
All right, Gwenny showed up. So I got a little help for the rest of this video. Let's see what we're gonna do. So I got the rest of these, the clear gems cleaned off that were in the old pot. And that's what we're gonna be using to hold up the plant. So, all right, Gwenny, you wanna get some of those clear beads right there, or gems, and start putting them in? All right.
And there's every time my time.
Yep, yep, grab those right there. Put them right in. Gotta try to cover up the roots. Good job. She's one of my big helpers. Awesome. Oh, you got it. Perfect.
That's up there.
All right.
I got 3.
You got a few more bamboo over there,
I
huh?
got 3 bamboos.
All right. So these other 3, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna. Oh, there's 4, Peanut. See, I got 3 here, and you got 1. That's 4.
Bam.
But we're gonna take these guys, and we're gonna put them in here as well. Kind of close to the side. I like that idea because then maybe we'll be able to see
And Daddy,
the roots
can
as
I
they
help you with
grow.
the lower?
With some more? Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Got a lot more gems coming in. Gwenny wants to help.
Let's do it together.
All right.
Let's
Hang on,
do
hang
this.
on. Let me move this so everybody can see you helping.
Yeah.
There we go. Hang on, move this over.
That way.
That's all right. We'll get it. All right.
This one's broken.
That's okay. Yeah, a couple of them are only in half instead of whole, but that's okay.
Too much for me to pull in.
Ooh, careful. Don't throw them too hard. There we go. All right.
We have a few more left, everybody.
Just a few.
I'll do the rest.
All right.
There's a few more left. We got squishy ones right here.
Yep, that squishy stuff.
Yep. And there's some of mine also.
This is like a nutrient blob that came with the bamboo when we got it before. All right. Oh, we're good with that. All right, so now we gotta throw in some water and make sure everything's good. All right.
Oh, we missed one.
There. Good job. High five.
There's other ones we got. We just missed one. Here.
All right.
Finish this video.
All right. You want to show them what we did?
Yeah.
All right. So
So it looks like.
we got the water put in and
And Gwenny's
let it
still
sit
here.
for a while.
And Gwenny's still here today.
And we put in a couple of our fish friends from our big aquarium.
And Gwenny's still here.
I don't think I'm going to keep 3 in there. I may just put 1 beta or a couple Danios. So I initially tried to repurpose an old pump from a filter. I was going to plug it in and make a waterfall, but yes, it's still here. It was just too much. So I'm going to see if I can kind of put like a hood over the top to direct the water down. So it'll just kind of fall over, and then I'll add that to this bowl. And if I feel like there's not enough aeration in the water, even with the plants, I might put a little stone in there. They won't eat the plant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was fun. It's the first time doing a little bowl like this instead of an actual tank for the plant. So yeah. That's, well, that one's a big one. That's an aquarium. This is like a fish bowl. Yep. No, don't pull that off. Alright everybody, thanks for stopping by. I hope you had some fun here at Game Time. If you haven't already subscribed, please do and become part of the Game Time Army. Yeah, become part of the family. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, please. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see us do another one of these or some kind of tank. Make sure you hit the bell notification button so you know every time we upload here on the channel.